Investing is about making your money work harder, whether you're saving for the future or building wealth for retirement. Funds offer a simple way to invest, letting professionals manage a basket of assets for you. With thousands of funds out there, it's easy to feel lost. But tracking top performers helps you spot what's working now. It's not about copying trends blindly, but about learning from what's driving success. By looking at the best funds, we see which industries and regions are thriving. Today, we'll break down the standout funds of 2025 and uncover what's behind their success. We'll cut through the jargon and focus on real lessons for everyday investors. This isn't just for city professionals, it's for anyone who wants to feel more confident about their money. By the end, you'll have a clearer view of today's investment landscape and how to take your next step. Who's leading the pack in 2025? Let's look at the standouts. The Polar Capital Global Technology Fund has delivered impressive returns thanks to sharp tech insights and early bets on innovation. Bailey Gifford Positive Change Fund proves you can invest for profit and purpose, backing companies making a positive impact. India's rapid growth has propelled the Jupiter India Select Fund to the top, with smart picks in a booming market. Closer to home, Lion Trust UK Microcap Fund has found success by uncovering hidden gems among the UK's smallest companies. These funds show that opportunity exists in tech, sustainability, emerging markets, and even overlooked corners of the UK. Their managers have demonstrated real skill in spotting tomorrow's leaders. Knowing the top funds is great, but understanding their types is key. Growth funds are leading. These target companies expected to outpace the market, often in tech or healthcare. Sector funds, like Polar Capital Global Technology, focus on one industry for big gains, but with higher risk. ESG funds, such as Bailey Gifford Positive Change, invest in companies with strong ethical standards, showing you can do well by doing good. Regional funds, like Jupiter India Select, tap into the growth of specific countries or areas. These fund types let investors diversify, target trends, and align investments with their values. The rise of ethical and regional funds shows investors want both returns and impact. Picking the right mix can help balance risk and reward. Fund managers' expertise in their chosen sectors or regions is a big part of their success. Understanding these categories helps you make smarter choices. The right fund type can open doors to new opportunities. What's driving this year's top funds? Tech's resurgence, especially in AI and cybersecurity, has powered big returns for those who spotted the trend early. The global push for sustainability is fueling investment in clean energy and responsible businesses. Emerging markets, especially India, are booming thanks to young populations and digital growth. Quality matters. Funds focusing on resilient, well-run companies have weathered uncertainty best. Managers with deep expertise and discipline have outperformed by sticking to proven strategies. It's not just about chasing trends, but about understanding what's behind them. The best funds combine innovation, global perspective, and a focus on quality. That's the real formula for success in 2025. Let's zoom in on the sectors powering this year's top funds. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, from healthcare diagnostics to smarter shopping, driving up the value of chip makers and software firms. Renewable energy is booming, with massive investment in wind, solar, and battery tech, turning green innovation into real profits. Healthcare and biotech are thriving, with breakthroughs in gene therapy and personalized medicine attracting major investment. Cybersecurity is more vital than ever, as businesses and governments race to protect data in an increasingly digital world. Funds with exposure to these sectors have outperformed, thanks to expert managers who spot the winners. These aren't just trends, they're reshaping the global economy. Investing in these sectors means tapping into the biggest shifts of our time. The top funds have capitalized on these changes, delivering strong returns. Spotting the next big sector is key to future growth. That's where skilled fund managers make all the difference. Geography matters as much as sector. India stands out in 2025, with rapid growth and a young, dynamic population fueling consumer demand. Emerging Asia, like Vietnam and Indonesia, is also booming, thanks to urbanization and new manufacturing hubs. The US remains a powerhouse, especially in tech and healthcare, and is a core holding for many global funds. Even in the UK, smaller companies are delivering strong results, as seen with Liontrust UK Microcap. The lesson: great opportunities exist both abroad and at home. Diversifying across regions can boost returns and reduce risk. The world's best funds know where to look for growth. So, how do funds actually work? A fund pools your money with others, letting a professional manager invest in a wide range of assets. This diversification means your risk is spread. If one company struggles, others can offset the loss. You make money in two ways: if the fund's assets grow in value or through income from dividends. Funds can be accessed easily online, often within tax-efficient wrappers like ISAs or SIPs. You can start with a lump sum or small monthly payments. Remember, investments can go down as well as up, so think long-term, 5 years or more. The key is to pick funds that match your goals and risk tolerance. Professional management and diversification make funds a smart choice for beginners. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow over time. The right fund can help you build wealth steadily. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. What lessons can we take from 2025's top funds? Innovation pays. Tech and healthcare leaders are driving wealth creation. Diversification is crucial. Global and regional funds protect against local downturns and open up new opportunities. Ethical investing is profitable. Funds with strong ESG credentials are thriving. Expert management and patience matter most. Top managers stick to their process and think long-term. Investing isn't about quick wins, but steady growth. A balanced global portfolio is the best defense against uncertainty. Aligning your investments with your values and the world's big trends can pay off. The best results come from discipline, research, and a long-term view. That's the real secret behind this year's winners. 2025's top funds show us a world of opportunity. Technology, sustainability, and emerging markets are shaping the future and delivering strong returns. The key is understanding trends, diversifying, and investing for the long term. You don't need to be an expert, just focus on the basics and keep learning. Professional fund managers make it easier to access complex themes. Remember, past performance isn't a guarantee, but the lessons are timeless. Stay curious, look beyond the obvious, and think about where the world is heading. With research and a clear plan, you can make your money work harder. There's a fund for every goal. Find yours and start your journey. The future is bright for investors willing to engage and grow.